sure you get the white one. Just 1 drop of kind of a nude color. And white's right there. The white right there. Thank you. Just a little bit. And I am going to that's it.
Oh, you know what?
You can draw however you want and leave it alone. You don't want to stir it all up and then let them mix it together. So I am applying 1 coat of the Blossom Gel. If you want them to spread it really fast and a lot, then you will apply a little bit thicker layer of the Blossom Gel. And then I would do twin tip brush. I'm gonna pick up the part of it. Let me do on this side.
Bring it up a bit. There you go.
And just gently release that.
Oh, so we just call it stone slide. Multi-purpose stone slide. You just want to look at it.
The stone slide. I love this one. And you can using on this and get that. Great. So now I'm gonna do it here for 60 seconds.
There you go, Sarah got a multi-purpose stone face.
Thank you, Sarah.
Oh, okay. That blew out nicely.
Okay, now we're gonna cure it really good. So make sure they stay on good the way we want it. Don't touch it. Great.
60?
Yeah. Yep, 60 seconds. Scissors mixed a little bit, and you can do with so many different colors. Doesn't matter if you watching some of our video back in last year when we did with like, I think we did it a lot with Halloween. I think I might have that the nail chart there. The Halloween theme I did with Valentine themes and all that with the Blossom Gel. It creates really stunning cool look. And if you can't find it, you can always find the videos back in like Facebook or on YouTube. If Instagram has got too much, then we couldn't do. Or like on IGTV, I think you can still find some the video. Let me show you. It's cool though. I have a lot of others, but I just want to show you like we did a lot. This was back in our Halloween. It's one of my really favorite season as well. And I did there's other chart too. Can you check on the other chart too? This one is underneath right here. We did like a bloody nails with a really deep red, like a burgundy red and then a bright red. So then it's create that looks really cool though with Blossom Gel. And by the way, since I'm holding in this one is really cool. A lot of you were asking, and then we did a lot of videos when every time I sharing. This is a draw knobs, everyone, so you can get it from like hardware store, and you can find it from Lowe's, Home Depots, or Walmart even had it, or Target, or maybe in Amazon's had it too, you know, shipped to your door if you can't getting out there. To organize, you can put them all like 20 nails. If you already have a chart, and you can do, yeah. So that one's, and then this one, that how we create that looks like bloody look like that. And also this one too, and also this. So a lot of blossom gel we're done with the video. So if you miss it, you don't worry, you're gonna able to find it on our videos. Okay, and then let me see. So this one is for Valentine. We did roses for this. A lot of did a rose for this, and then with touch of colors. And then this here, the techniques that I shared with you earlier with the nails. One of the nails I'm using, this one right here. It kind of ombre chromes. You can do with any colors. It's a lot of cool, fun techniques that I would like to share. This one, and then this is a spinning center. It's, you can either make it a spinning cool thing, really stunning. I wear that for maybe this time I should put it on back on because it's really cool. I spin it all day long. I spin it because then sometimes you know that you have a lot of the rings that's the spinning rings for anxiety. When I have that on, it feels so good. It's really awesome. I spin it all day long. It's not come off. Great. So this one looks really cool. It looks cool though. It's not like it's running on that. And you can do this one, it toned down a little bit if you want to. Very cool. I know. Now it doesn't matching with our theme. Now it looks really like a bacon. Just kidding. Steak. Just kidding. Oh, do you know what I can do? No. What I can do, I don't care that I can make another set for this. But I can do this. It looks so stunning. I won't leave it alone. Even you're going to do is with the veins. If you want to do that, it looks great. But what I'm going to do, I'm really excited with this, is chandelier. Is the update chandelier. I love this. I have to say this.
Yeah, T-bone steak. There you go.
T-bone steak. It looks like that. So it's good that at least that we, can I get the tray for that?
New tray.
Yeah. Maybe I should get this one. Should I leave it alone though? Should I dab some glitter on it?
Just a bit.
No, I'm gonna do this tray. I'm so excited with this. So I'm gonna put just one piece of that chandelier on it. I'm so excited. We'll see because it's gonna tone this one down.
Yeah, Sarah, so just look for a chandelier. It's gonna
Chandelier?
be the metal art. It's just the same chandelier, but we got some new ones, so we just update some pictures so people know what the new one look like.
There's a new one. It's pretty. You like it even better, Sarah, because it goes smaller side. We do decide that we're doing it smaller side because remember that before we have it on just the middle fingers and then the thumb. So now you can do a whole set with this. It's so freaking beautiful. So condensed glue gel and with no wipe top coat on the top. You know, Sarah's like so many products, I can't even keep up with that too. So I know. No white top coat on the top. Should I do some neon? No neon. I'm not gonna do it if you say no. It looks good. It's cool though. It's kind of make it like so we have a goal, right? We can do this is right here.
Learn how to say no.
No crystal? It looks good. It doesn't like get. That's it. Looks really cool though. I want a whole set like that. You think?
Okay.
It looks like it looks big on the side, but it's not because it's a whiter color. Looks cool though.
Oh, don't cover your whole steak now.
No, that's it. No more. That's all you need. This is a statement. So I like this chandeliers update even better. So if you have a good chandeliers before they have a bigger ones on, they fit on. Some of the clients have a smaller fingers. This is fit perfect. I'm so obsessed with this. So it's great. So now if you're happy with this, here for 60 seconds. Do you want it just alone?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some crystal on it. Just kidding.
You good. Give me.
Love it. Okay. Hi, Kenzie.
Show this one.
See, we have so many ideas, and we can't wait to share with you every single different, like, I'm still like want to do this, but then we're gonna keep it for Mondays, and we can do more fun, cool things with this one. And then do let me know what else you want to see, because I can't wait to do a lot of different, like, we can even go back to ours, like mixed bags. I'm so obsessed with this one too. Do it with the mixed bags. And Sarah, I love Sarah create with a lot of mixed bags. She's so artistic. Like, here's the experience is that for me, what I would like to share. Like, if you are the first time, like, or being beginners, like, it's a great way to get the mixed bag. So then it gives you a variety of different options: crystal placement, dragon scale, bead, frame, charms, metal arts, anything, right? 3D and natural stones and everything you can do it together. But then it's like it's all come in once. But when you start playing a lot with your crystals, you start seeing this mixed bags will really take you to the next level, because you start create a lot of different fun things. Can't wait for that. And I saw Annette, one of our ambassador in the team, made. She did really cool design that she sharing with us, and it's really stunning that she put it all together. So with this one, I am gonna do really double secure by using precision glue. It looks really cool. Dry. Looks so nice. You know, look at that chandelier. It's like right curve. Okay, let me show you, because I missed it. I didn't show you. Just for your, just in case you're curious, look at how it's already curved, ready for us, you know? So it's go right in the C curve of the client's nails, and it's like, is wide, and it's like a narrows enough, so it still looks really stunning. I can't wait. I want to do whole nails like this, like whole entire set. And if you take a look at the updated ones, it's even have more chandelier for you, so you get more for your bucks. I think such a great, we're only trying to do better and better, so then you'll be happy and you learn so much, and you're able to bring the techniques back to your business, making a good extra income, a good income, and also love what you're doing. So I'm gonna go into all the, you know, around the chandelier right here to make sure that I seal in all the gaps and the cracks. And then you key it first, and if your client's still feeling it catching on their hair special right here, you can always go back and feel it again, and then clients will feel it too. And after you feel the precision glue on, and then make sure you have them check it first before they leave the salon. So then if they feel like they still need to adjust precision glue on, then you just apply it for them. So then that way their charm and the chains and the crystal, the 3D will stay in long until next time they come see you again. Good. So now we're gonna key it for 60 seconds.